Hey guys, Chlorine King here. Time for another vlog. Today's topic, it's a question I get a lot, and it's should you run your pump during the daytime or at nighttime? Here in Florida, there's not much of a difference as far as money savings between running your pump between day and night. It's negligible. It's not even worth talking about. Now, other places I've been told from clients, places like California, there is a significant difference between running it at nighttime or daytime. But does that mean should you run it at nighttime? I'm a firm believer, if you're trying to save money off your power bill, you need to get a variable speed pump. That's going to save you the most money possible, and it's going to keep your pool looking the best and safe. There's a couple cons I can think of right off the top of my head of running the pump at night versus daytime. And the first one is the most obvious. It's just the heat. You definitely want the pool circulating during the hottest times of the day, because that's what keeps your chlorine in the water as long as possible and prevents the sun from burning it out. Of course, with the correct stabilized rating and all the chemistry, of course. But if the water's just sitting stagnant during the day, the sun has 12 hours now, 14 hours now to burn the chlorine out of the water, and you're going to get chemistry issues, mostly algae. So, you definitely want the pump running during the hottest times of the day. Another question is, how long do you run it? The old school train of thought is every 10 degrees it is hot outside, run the pump for an hour. So with it being 90 to 100 degrees outside now in the summertime, you want to run that pump 9 to 10 hours minimum to keep the pool looking its best as possible and safe as possible. So just that point alone, I would definitely run it during the daytime versus nighttime, regardless if I'm saving $10 off my power bill or not. If you're spending $40 more a month in chlorine and algaecide or whatever else you're going to use, is it really worth it? I don't think it is. Another con to running the pump at nighttime is you want the pump running when people are using the pool. So you got to think all the bodily funk, sweat, urine, sunblock, all that stuff. You want that to be caught in the filter as soon as possible. So you're going to increase the likelihood of that by having the pump run. If you don't have it running, it has time to sit there in the water and cause chemistry issues. So those 2 points alone, I wouldn't care if I'm saving $50 a month. I would definitely want the pump running during the daytime to make things as enjoyable as possible. And if you really want to save money, get a variable speed pump. So hopefully that helps you guys a little bit. And yeah, have a great day, everyone, and stay tuned for more videos.